Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of losing in Ludo Club or constantly running out of coins and cash, then stick around because in this tutorial, I'm showing you the latest Ludo Club hack for 2026 that's actually working right now. In this video, you'll learn how to get the Ludo Club mod with unlimited coins, unlimited cash, auto win features, dice control, and tons more. And yes, this method works perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. No root, no jailbreak needed in most cases. As you can see on screen right now, this Ludo Club hack gives you full access to powerful hacks like unlimited cash and coins, auto win mode, dice control for perfect rolls, and much more. First, make sure your official Ludo Club game is updated to the latest version. Head to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Ludo Club and install any available updates. This ensures compatibility with the newest Ludo Club mod. In the pinned comment, I've linked and explained exactly where to safely get the Ludo Club mod APK for Android or the compatible method for iOS. These sources are updated for 2026 and include all the features you see here: unlimited cash, unlimited coins, easy wins, and more. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.